Welcome back, guys, here on the Wannabe News Station. Live right here in Salina, Utah. Here at the Blast from the Past car show. It's the 20th anniversary here today. And I'm out stumbling around looking at cars. Look what I stumbled across. Let's check this old hearse out in the old bus.
Hi, my name is Randy DeVille. I just want to say that I am the OG because I've done this.
I found something cool. A lot of people will find some humor in it. Check the back out right here. Look at that. We even brought Joe Biden out to the car show today. Resting HEL double hockey sticks there, Joe. You can't go wrong with that. Riding around in the cool hearse on the Wannabe News Station. You made it on the Wannabe News Station. Joe Biden. Can't believe a cool looking old hearse like that. An old school bus, and there's a lot of other old cars here. Also look on this old hearse. Born to raise HEL double hockey sticks. But anyways, thanks for tuning in on Wannabe News Station. Thanks for coming out to the car show. A lot of cool cars. I like to say, if the women don't find you handsome, they ought to at least find you handy. Down here at the car show. And we found Joe Biden in the casket already. I must not have been paying attention to the news. Maybe he's already passed. I'm going to have to tune in onto the news and check it out. Thanks for tuning in. Following the Wannabe News Station. Have a good day.
Peace out.